I got a lot to endure, there ain't no stopping the storm. Homie, the top is it warm, so chill. I think I need my light bulb fixed. That's of lately, I ain't been getting hyped on shit. Life's a journey, you gotta find your niche. I'm leaving this tight space because I don't fit, and I'm moving away. My whole life I'ma start from scratch as an artist and trap.
What's up, guys? It's TMB23 here with another iteration, another video. And as you guys can see, I got a new shirt on for EcoBoost because I'm repping the edge and everything on the channel, my Fusion's EcoBoost. Ooh, these gnats are trying to fly in my eye. But today's video is all about getting my brother's Challengers, his muffler install and everything. I have these Super 40s in here, the ones that I was going to put on the edge, but that guy talked me out of it. So I'm going to install it on his car. And as you can see, he's missing his tips, so we're going to get him some tips installed as well. See how it sounds. You want to watch the race? Is that what it is? Whatever. Alright, so remove the sound system so we can get rid of at least 150 pounds. He says he has a problem with cylinder 8, right?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
Misfire. Got valve cover leak. And there's a TSB on it. But I got cylinder 8. The TSB is for cylinders 4, 6, 7. And that's it.
Alright, you got a cold air intake. Looks crappy, to be honest with you.
I didn't put it in here. It was like that.
Got a bolt that's loose, a strip, or whatever you got going on over here.
And then he's in there.
1, 2, 3, go. All right, call it.
1, 2, 3.
Chase, how you feeling, man? How you feeling?
He on the stock ass Challenger, man.
Stop playing, man. Hey, he just mad because he don't have gap insurance, y'all. Alright, so if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and leave me a like, give me a comment, and subscribe, guys. And thanks for watching.